Hello everybody, Patrick Glenn Nichols, Muscle Car Barn Finds, and today I'm out here at Jim Fite's Maple Motors. This business has been around for years and years, and they specialize in muscle cars, generally for people that can shop in the range of 30 grand and under. Really good cars that you can just get in and drive off and buy and just take out and have a good time. So I'll do a quick walk around video of this guy's place. Again, they've been here in Hendersonville, Tennessee for years and years, as far as I can remember, servicing the public around here with muscle cars and cool trucks and this and that. So I'll do a quick walk around video of their place. They have a YouTube page as well, but I thought I would stop today and do a walk around video of all their cars. So we'll try to do about every car that's here, and you will see generally every car here is under 30 grand, and you know, every car here you can just get in and drive off, you know. So here we go. We got a GTO here, Trans Am, on and on and on. Be about like a 56 Chevrolet, and we got this nice red Ford Torino here. We'll go a little closer on this one. 71 bench seat, automatic convertible, pretty neat car. And we got the back side of the 56 Chevy, and we will move on. We've got 3 convertibles here in a row. I think that's about a 71 Duster, 67 El Camino. What's the price on this little red Corvette? 10.9, 76, 67 El Caminos, got Kragers on it. Nice, pretty clean Plymouth Duster. What do we say, 71? Yes, 71. A little bit of everything here for people, and that's what they specialize in. Again, they've been here since as long as I can remember. I know probably since the 1980s or before. I don't know exactly how long. 72 Chevelle. You know, some of these cars may be clones, some of them are not. Good looking car for $24,900, 69 Chevelle. SS emblem, no SS hood, $23,900. Got bucket seats in it. A non-original color red with the black stripe, but it's really sharp. When you drive off, really bang for the buck. You just don't really get much better for, you know, for a car in the $20,000 range. There's another 72 Chevelle blue, $24,900. I'm not sure if it's a big block or either one of these cars are. Not sure. I have to lift the hood. I know the 72 car is. Got big block on the windshield, so I'm assuming that this red car possibly is a big block. Not sure. I don't have time to lift the hood. Nice looking Chevy 2 here, 66 model, black 4-speed, 27.9 Corvette, 69 model Corvette right here, 21.9. As you can see, everything here generally is under 30 grand. The vast majority of people can't shop in the above 30 grand market for a muscle car, and they need it to be able to run and drive and be able to enjoy it. So that's what Jim Fite's Maple Motors really specializes in. You buy a car here, you know you can take off and use it and have fun with it. A lot of times they have good paint jobs, you know, they're loud colors. Really, the affordable muscle car lot really is what this place is. Always has been. A long line of Mustangs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mustangs. I believe this would be a 58 Impala. Let's check it. Yes, 58. And this one is above 30. So far, it's the only car that I've seen priced above 30. An old Chevrolet beside it. I think that's a non-original color blue. And of course, the body changed to 1960. Yes, both of these. And this Buick has an LS motor for $17,900. Quite an assortment here. Jim Fite's Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Good people. You don't see a lot of high-end barn finds, not a lot of what I normally specialize in here. Again, these guys want you to be able to come here and buy a car and drive off. You're not going to see a lot of inoperable cars or LS6s documented, that type of stuff. It's just not really their cup of tea. They like to cater to the people that can afford 30 grand or less. I believe that's a 72 Buick GS, probably about ready to hit the front line. I think that is a 72 Chevrolet, four-wheel drive. Yep, 72 four-wheel drive. I think that is another 72 two-wheel drive, 7,900. The blue 72 four-wheel drive was 14,009. What do we have here? Yep, long wheelbase 72 Cheyenne. And we have the back lot. It's about a 72 3-ish Camaro is sold. On the back lot, we got a 69 Impala, and we got a 72 Chevelle two-door, 62 Impala, and that's about all that would interest us muscle car people. And we'll go back around this way. What we got here? And we have other people shopping as well. 63 Chevrolet, really neat truck. I know that's a 72. These guys specialize again in sport trucks, muscle cars, stuff with loud colors, stuff you can come in here and just get in and drive off and enjoy. That's the name of the game with the Jim Fites. Quick walk around at the front. Please excuse the traffic noise, as this is right on the front of Gallatin Road here in Hendersonville. So we got Fords, Chevys, Mopars, trucks, convertibles, so forth and so on. Jim Fite's Maple Motors, Hendersonville, Tennessee. I hope you enjoyed the video of this muscle car lot here in Tennessee that's been here at least 30 years or more. Hendersonville, Tennessee. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. More videos on the way of other barn finds and more muscle cars. Thanks for watching. More videos on the way. Thanks again.